When it comes to giant reptiles of the Cretaceous period, the first thing that comes to mind are usually the likes of Spinosaurus, T-Rex, and Argentinosaurus. These were creatures that ruled the world with their immense size and savage hunting instincts. However, they were not the only ones of their time. Indeed, the apex predator Sarcosuchus was a formidable rival to these mighty dinosaurs. Crocodiles are known as the most fearsome cold-blooded carnivores on Earth today. The modern-day saltwater crocodile, Crocodilus porosus, is the largest species of crocodile and the largest living reptile on Earth. Adult males can reach lengths of up to 6.3 meters, even up to 7 meters. Saltwater crocodiles are notorious for their ferocity, not only due to their immense size but also because of their terrifying jaws. Weighing up to 1.2 tons and with a bite force of 2.27 tons, they are the most fearsome reptiles alive today. However, when compared to Sarcosuchus, the saltwater crocodile is only worthy of being the juvenile of this prehistoric crocodile. This species lived about 120 million years ago in what is now the Sahara region. Although at that time there was no desert and the world looked completely different. 100 million years ago, North Africa was a lush tropical area, surrounded by many rivers and lakes. Sarcosuchus was just one of many large reptile species that took advantage of the natural abundance of this region. Based on estimates from its skull, Sarcosuchus was about 9.5 to 12 meters long, slightly longer than a limousine. Compared to other animals, Sarcosuchus was as big as a T-Rex and even larger than a mammoth elephant in terms of size and body weight. Sarcosuchus is often called the super crocodile, a monster that no one would want to mess with. If any prey comes near its territory, this beast will grab it with its massive jaws and crush it to death. Its diet was quite diverse, ranging from river fish to even dinosaurs. According to biologist Greg Erickson at the University of Florida, any prey that falls into the jaws of this monster is like being trapped under the weight of a large truck. Interestingly, Sarcosuchus is not the largest crocodile to ever exist on Earth. That title belongs to Dinosaur, which lived at the end of the Cretaceous period, and Prehistoric, which lived in the Miocene epoch. These were the two largest crocodiles of all time. There are many species of crocodiles in the world, which are divided into three main families: Crocodilidae, Gavialidae, and Alligatoridae. Alligatoridae family having two subfamilies, Caimonidae and Alligatorinae. Sarcosuchus is thought to belong to the family Crocodilidae due to its physical characteristics, such as having longer and sharper jaws compared to other families. The snout of Crocodilidae is not as robust as Alligatoridae, but it can still produce an equivalent amount of force. The tooth design of Crocodilidae is more generalized, suitable for all types of prey. The name Sarcosuchus comes from the Greek word sarko, meaning muscle, and suchus, meaning crocodile. This name was coined by two paleontologists, De Bruyne and Philippe Taquet. Sarcosuchus imperator lived 112 million years ago at the beginning of the Cretaceous period, and most specimens have been found in West Africa today. Some specimens of Sarcosuchus from Tunisia show that they also lived in river deltas, but mainly in large river systems throughout the former continent of Africa and South America. Crocodiles coexisted with other dinosaurs such as Lordosaurus, Tyrannosaurus, and Nigersaurus. To survive in an environment with the presence of both land and water enemies, the Sarcosuchus had to be a powerful species. Its head and snout accounted for 75% of its skull length, which was similar in shape to the modern-day Indian crocodile, characterized by a long tapered snout with a protrusion. The nose and eyes of this prehistoric crocodile were located on the top of its head, allowing it to observe and breed without fully surfacing. The most fearsome weapon of the Sarcosuchus was its oversized snout with sharp, cone-shaped teeth, totaling 70 teeth in the upper jaw and 62 teeth in the lower jaw. Its teeth were thick and could deliver extremely powerful bites, easily penetrating through the flesh of its prey. According to scientists, Sarcosuchus coexisted with the Spinosaurus lizard, and engaged in fierce battles with the largest dinosaur of all time. Based on the skull fossilization of the largest crocodile found, which was 1.6 meters long, equivalent to an adult human. Paleontologists estimated that Sarcosuchus would have a body length of up to 11.65 meters and weigh about 8 tons. The hunting instinct was developed throughout the Sarcosuchus growth, turning it into a dominant predator. Once it reached its maximum size, it became a terror for any species that wanted to approach its territory. However, until now, scientists have not found an answer to how Sarcosuchus hunted its prey. In its early stage of life, Sarcosuchus had a long, narrow snout like the Indian crocodile. But as it grew, its snout widened into a unique shape unlike any known crocodile today. Its prey would be drowned or crushed by its powerful bite, stronger than that of a T-Rex. When reaching maximum size, Sarcosuchus also had large bony plates on its body, which played a protective role. Through simulation and analysis, researchers found that the Sarcosuchus had a wider girdle structure than modern crocodiles, meaning it could move better on land. As a terror both in the water and on land, the assumption that Sarcosuchus preyed on dinosaurs seems to have some basis. We are somewhat fortunate that this creature no longer exists. Thank you for watching today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to support me. Goodbye and see you again.